So here's where we're at. I have the pedal chain on. My tensioner, spring tensioner didn't come for that yet. Disc brakes on. I got these done up. So now the exhaust is mounted and it's got a rubber bushing there. And then down here, I have the other one with another one up to the carb, and this is nice and all leveled out. So it's gonna work out pretty decent. Even with this clamp here, since it's so far at the bottom, it doesn't affect the seat post from sliding in and out. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I just got this here as a placeholder at the moment. So anyways, I got this chain here. What's gonna happen is I'm using the chain tugs back here, and that's purely gonna be to align this tire for the engine. I don't really care about the pedal chain because I have a spring one coming to take the slack out of that. I don't want to do a half link and stuff. I may, I don't know, some point down the road. I'm not really worried about it. Anyways, I got a extended crank on this. I'll show you why in a second. Do you look? My pedals will be perfect for clearing everything when I'm sitting. I really like that on the 4-stroke, the wide crank like that. So I'm just going with it. It was really comfortable to have your feet out like that too. So anyways, that is done. I really like these. I'll show you guys what I bought, because you can do this with a lot of different exhausts. That is not the one I want. These were them. They are light bar accessories. It's what you mount like fog lights and shit with, or a light bar. So anyways, this comes, like it says, 75 1-inch and 1 1/4 inch. It actually has 1 1/8. It has 7/8, and it has 5/8 as well. So all that comes with some spacers and stuff. So that was pretty good. And this is the kickstand. If it'll focus. And this has a lot of really good reviews. People said it's very solid. It's holding the whole bike up on its own. And it seems to be really freaking good. I could sit on this, and that's probably not going to bend. So, more than enough meat to that thing right there to hold heavy weight. I think it's rated for like 160 pounds actually. It's for like an e-bike and stuff, so way over what it needs to be for motorized bicycle. Okay, so one other thing about this, I have an 8-piece handlebar set. It's a Diamondback, I think. It's like brand new. It's from, oh god, early 2000s, I think. Somewhere's in there. Anyways, brand new. It's old new stock from a bike shop that closed down. It's got all its papers and stuff. So I got that, and that's going to go on here because I really like the look of it. The heads that I've all wanted to put on here, the clamps for the stem, none of them fit. Like, the amount of room there is, I don't want to extend it, all that crazy shit. So I am making a GT style head clamp for the stem, for the handlebars and everything. So it's almost done. When it gets closer to being done, I'll show you guys what I've been doing. Then we'll polish it all up, put the bars, and mount all this crap. You know, get it done. That's where I'm at with that. The seat, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this yet. We will see. I'm just not there yet. Oh yeah, and I did turn the silencer. So it is like slightly off, but I did that just to keep the crap off of all that. But all in all, this is really good. Nice and solid, and it's got a vibration damper so it won't screw up everything. But these clamps work really good. So, a lot of sizes, variations, and it's probably something people should go to mount exhaust systems, because I had a lot of people tell me they had great results with those, and I'm very happy with it. And the second one, I did the carb under there, and it's nice. So, alright, that's where we're at so far.